Want your home to look adorable this Valentine's Day without spending a fortune? Looking for the best Dollar Tree Valentine decorations ideas that are cute, stylish, and affordable? Searching for easy Dollar Tree Valentine crafts ideas you can make in minutes? Or maybe you want budget-friendly Dollar Tree Valentine's Day decor ideas that don't look cheap at all? Then stay right here, because today we're sharing 15 amazing Dollar Tree Valentine decorating and craft ideas that prove you can decorate beautifully on a budget. Welcome back to Decor Design Ideas. In today's video, we're sharing the best Dollar Tree Valentine decorations ideas, creative Dollar Tree Valentine crafts ideas, and simple DIY Dollar Tree Valentine ideas to decorate your home beautifully without breaking the bank. Why is Dollar Tree so popular for Valentine decorating? Dollar Tree offers affordable seasonal decor, craft supplies, and gifts. These Dollar Tree Valentine decorations ideas make it easy to decorate without overspending. What are the best Dollar Tree Valentine's Day decor ideas for home? Signs, faux florals, garlands, and candles are top picks. These Dollar Tree Valentine's Day decor ideas work beautifully in living rooms, entryways, and tables. If you love budget-friendly decor, hit like and share this video with a fellow Dollar Tree fan. What Dollar Tree Valentine crafts ideas are easy for beginners? Mason jar crafts, framed quotes, and paper garlands are perfect. These Dollar Tree Valentine crafts ideas require minimal tools and time. What are easy Dollar Tree Valentine crafts ideas for last-minute decorating? Heart signs, candle holders, and DIY banners come together fast. These easy Dollar Tree Valentine crafts ideas are perfect for busy schedule. What's your favorite Dollar Tree find for Valentine's Day? Crafts or decor? Tell me below. What DIY Dollar Tree Valentine ideas look high-end? Neutral signs, layered textures, and simple color palettes elevate decor. These DIY Dollar Tree Valentine ideas look stylish and intentional. How can I use Dollar Tree Valentine home decor ideas in every room? Add small accents like candles, signs, and garlands. These Dollar Tree Valentine home decor ideas work throughout the house without clutter. For more Dollar Tree and seasonal decor ideas, check the full playlist in the description. What Dollar Tree Valentine's Day crafts ideas are great for families? Paper hearts, foam crafts, and simple signs are kid-friendly. These Dollar Tree Valentine's Day crafts ideas make decorating fun for everyone. What dollar store Valentine decor DIY projects are most popular? Wreaths, centerpieces, and wall signs are favorites. These dollar store Valentine decor DIY projects are affordable and customizable. Love DIY and budget decor? Subscribe for weekly creative inspiration. What are cheap Valentine decorations Dollar Tree shoppers love most? Wall signs, heart garlands, faux florals, and candles. These cheap Valentine decorations Dollar Tree offers are perfect for budget decorating. What Dollar Tree Valentine gift ideas are thoughtful and affordable? Candy jars, mini gift baskets, and handmade decor make great gifts. These Dollar Tree Valentine gift ideas feel personal and sweet. For more Dollar Tree DIYs and holiday decor ideas, check the related videos below. What Dollar Tree Valentine's Day gifts work for friends and coworkers? Mugs, candy containers, and small decor items are perfect. These Dollar Tree Valentine's Day gifts are affordable yet meaningful. How do I style Dollar Tree Valentine decor so it doesn't look cluttered? Stick to one color palette and a few statement pieces. These Dollar Tree Valentine decorations ideas look best when styled simply. How early should I start shopping Dollar Tree for Valentine's decor? Shop early January for the best selection. These Dollar Tree Valentine's Day decor ideas sell out quickly. How can I reuse Dollar Tree Valentine decor after the holiday? Choose neutral pieces you can restyle or repurpose. Smart DIY Dollar Tree Valentine ideas work beyond Valentine's Day. What's the easiest Dollar Tree Valentine project for beginners? A framed printable, candle centerpiece, or simple sign? Even basic Dollar Tree Valentine Crafts Ideas can transform your space. And that's it. 15 Dollar Tree Valentine Decorations Ideas to help you decorate, craft, and gift beautifully on a budget. From easy DIY projects and home decor to thoughtful gifts and family crafts, Dollar Tree makes Valentine's Day affordable and fun. Whether you're decorating one room or your entire home, these Dollar Tree Valentine's Day decor ideas prove that you don't need to spend big to create something special. What's your favorite Dollar Tree Valentine craft or decor item? Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more Dollar Tree DIYs and seasonal decorating inspiration. Happy Valentine's Day!